Hello everybody, my name is Rodolfo and I'm here to help you to get your next license or your license in the boiler industry. I have a few questions with my best answer and I hope that helps you. So let's start. What is furnace heat release? Furnace heat release is BTU released per cubic foot of the furnace volume per hour. So yes, you're gonna have to calculate the cubic foot of the furnace volume. A boiler operates at 400 psi and the temperature of the feed water entry is 220 degrees Fahrenheit. It generates 12 pounds of steam for each pound of fuel burned, and the fuel has the BTU content of 18,600 BTUs per hour. What is the thermal efficiency? So this is the formula, thermal efficiency. Okay. So save that. You may use it. Next, name 3 ways to reduce NOx. So I'm gonna give you 4, okay? The 3 ways to reduce NOx are by SCR, selective catalytic reduction. The second, SNCR, selective non-catalytic reduction. A low excess air burner reduce NOx, and steam water injection reduce NOx, and etc. Name 2 ways to reduce particulate emissions. Name 2 ways to reduce particulate emissions. The 2 ways to reduce particulate emissions are by electrostatic precipitators and bag houses, filters. What is a RATA test? The RATA test stands for Relative Accuracy Testing Audited. All lines on the Mollier chart. Tell me all the lines on the Mollier chart. So they are 7 lines on Mollier chart, and they are constant enthalpy, constant entropy, constant temperature, constant pressure, constant quality, saturation line, and degree of superheat. The constituents of coal. That's easy and has a little help for you guys. So no cash, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, ash, sulfur, carbon again now, hydrogen, no carbon, hydrogen are the constituent of coal. Okay, math problem for boiler efficiency. So to calculate boiler efficiency, you're gonna do the output divided by the input. They may give you the percentage of the machine efficiency. So then you multiply that by this, okay, by the result. So if nothing's 100% efficient, it's only 90, then you divide by 0.9. What's the furnace heat release? Furnace heat release. Furnace heat release is BTUs released per cubic foot of furnace volume per hour. Okay, that is actually the same of my first question. What's furnace release? Furnace release is BTU released per cubic foot of the furnace volume. So guys, from these questions, I would like to just go over again NOx. I think this is very common, and you may be asked if you're on a lower license. Okay, ways to reduce NOx. So catalytic reduction, low excess air, and steam and water injection. Okay, and yes, you gonna inject steam and water on the flame to reduce the temperature of the flame. Okay, that's one. Okay, and the other two, okay, two more, that not for the beginner, but for a little higher license or intermediate license, they definitely gonna ask you that. The 7 lines on the Mollier chart: constant enthalpy, entropy, temperature, pressure, quality, saturation line, and degree of superheat. Because we have the steam table, so they may ask you guys the difference between steam table and Mollier chart, or the 5 things on the steam table. Okay, and for the lower license, they definitely ask you guys the constituents of a coal. Definitely, that's very common. So no cash, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, ash, sulfur, hydrogen. Okay, so I hope you guys best of luck, and I see you guys on the next video. Thank you.